Hi, welcome to PW Holdings, authorized partner for Sage Business Cloud Accounting with Sage Asia. Price lists, company, change company settings, general settings, item settings. When you create items in Sage Business Cloud Accounting, you can link them to all the price lists that you have set up. You can give each price list a unique name. For example, you could have a trade price, a retail price, and a distributor price. Accounting also lets you assign a default price list per customer. To add a new price list, click on the green plus next to a price list. You can delete and add as many price lists as you want. You cannot delete the default price list, which stores your current item prices. You also cannot delete a price list that has been linked to a customer or where a price has been assigned in the item master file. You can select a specific price list for the customer. If you invoice for this specific customer, then we'll use the price list as specified in the master file. After create price list, you can set item selling prices. Go to Items, List, List of items, open an item. Under the Price List tab, you can set specific prices for each additional price list that you have set up. The price list must be set up in the company settings before it will display under the Price List tab. You are also able to copy your selling prices from one price list to another by using the Adjust Item Selling Prices wizard on the Items menu. Adjust Selling Prices. Sage Business Cloud Accounting allows you to adjust your item selling prices. To access this feature, select the Items, Transactions, Adjust Item Selling Prices menu option. The following three adjustment options are available: Adjust Selling Prices, Adjust Selling Prices using Quick Entry Grid, Copy from another price list. Adjust Selling Prices. This option will allow you to update all or a selection of your price list. Update based on selling price, average cost, or last cost. Specify which items or item categories to update. Increase or decrease the price by using an adjustment percentage. Round the inclusive price and update any recurring invoices which contain these prices. Quick Entry Grid. This option will allow you to only update one price list at a time, update based on selling price, average cost, or last cost, specify which items or item categories to update, increase or decrease the price by using an adjustment percentage, round the inclusive price, update any recurring invoices which contain these prices, and to adjust the prices in the grid itself. Can also adjust the gross profit percentage in the grid. Copy from another price list. This option will allow you to copy the selling prices from one price list to multiple other price lists. If you would like to copy and increase the price from an existing price list, you would first copy the price list and then return to the wizard and adjust the selling price based on another selling price. The user will have the option to update recurring invoices or not, depending on whether the prices being updated have an impact. For more details, please log into www.pwholdings.lk. Thank you.